All right. Now what we got here?
I introduced to you the Hangover Burger.
Woo! Where were you this morning?
This burger is good anytime, but especially if you're hungover.
Okay.
So you've got a burger that you're pairing with pickled jalapenos, a little bacon, secret sauce, cheese, of course, and a fried egg on an everything ciabatta bun.
Yum.
So we've got breakfast elements in a burger to make you feeling all right.
All right, I love it. Now the secret sauce, what's in this recipe?
Mayo with a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of mustard, some pickle relish,
Ooh,
onion powder, and smoked paprika.
ooh, good thing I'm hungover. I'm ready.
First things first, let's start our burgers.
All right.
Love me some Doug fat spray. And now time for our burgers. All right, we ready to fry some eggs?
Yes, or the flats out of GrillGrate. Let's do it.
So for our burgers, we've got our rails up, and for the egg, rails down.
Okay.
We're multitasking on the GrillGrate.
Showing the versatility. I love it.
Okay, now all we gotta do is put these eggs on these babies, and we're good to go.
Let's do it.
Gorgeous runny egg. Oh, so perfect.
Boom.
Boom. Okay, these burgers are done.
These have to be the most beautiful burgers I have ever seen.
Let's eat.